Hi, this 5-minute solution will show you how to link a website to a Facebook page. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go to Facebook, and now we need to switch to the Facebook page. So tap on menu, tap on this arrow icon, select your Facebook page where you want to add or link your website. Make sure you are the owner of the Facebook page. And now go to your page profile, tap on edit, scroll down. Here you will get links. Tap on edit or add, and here you will get websites. So tap on add website, tap on this website address box, and now in this box add your website link or URL. Now you can change your website privacy by tapping on this public button, and if you select public, anyone will be able to see your website. Tap on save, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully linked my website to my Facebook page. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.